Classification of common gases in chemical industries. So table 1.23 lists the gases that are most commonly encountered in chemical industries. So each of those gases are discussed in the further detail within this section. Threshold limit value. So what is TVL? Threshold limit values of airborne substance refer to the concentration within which personnel may be exposed without known adverse effect to their health or safety. The guideline TLVS given on table 1.23 have been arrived at through a combination of industrial experience and for both animal and human studies. They are based primarily on recommendation of the American Conference of Governmental Industries Hygienists ACGIH and the US National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health NIOSH. The values quoted should be regarded as guidelines rather than clear demarcation between safe and dangerous concentration. There are two reasons for this. First, wide variation in personal response to given substance occur between individuals depending upon one's state of health, exposure history, and personal habits, smoking and use of alcohol. Secondly, TLVS are necessarily based on current scientific knowledge and are subject to revision as new evidence becomes available. To ensure compliance with statutory requirements, environmental engineers and industrial hygienists should familiarize themselves with any mandatory TVLs that may established within their particular countries or state. Three types of TLVS are expressed in table 1.23. The time weighted average TWA is the average concentration of which nearly all workers may be exposed over an 8H shift and a 40H work week without known adverse effect. However, many substances are significantly toxic that short-term exposure at higher concentration may prove harmful or even vital. So these are the list of gases that are most commonly encountered in chemical industries. This is continued and not explosive if mixed with air. Oxygen presence. So the bottom part is not explosive, whereas the top part is explosive. What is this impossible mixture? The short-term exposure limits STEL is a TWA concentration occurring over a period of not more than 15 minutes, that is concentration above the TWA and up to the STEL should not last for longer than 15 minutes. It is also recommended that such circumstances should not occur more than 4 times per day nor at intervals of less than 1 hour. 1H. The ceiling limits is the concentration that should not be exceeded at any time. This is relevant for the most toxic substances or those that produce an intermediate irritant effect.